Today, a new debate has now in fact sparked off between political parties over India's top civilian honour, the Bharat Ratna. The BJP has reiterated that former Prime Minister and BJP patriarch Atal Bihari Vajpayee cannot be ignored when it comes to conferring Bharat Ratna to deserving Indians.
3 days since Bharat Ratna was awarded to cricketing legend and top scientist C.N.R. Rao, and 2 days after a senior BJP leader demanded Bharat Ratna for his party patriarch, BJP's clamour for Atal Bihari Vajpayee to be honoured with Bharat Ratna only growing louder.
And particularly in the present circumstances that the politics is going so low, the level of moral values and dignity which he exemplified for continuous 5 decades, I think if he is given Bharat Ratna, it will be like a torch bearer, or it will be like a lighthouse for the coming generation in the politics.
Alleging that the UPA is reluctant to give the top civilian honour to non-Congress leaders.
सरदार पटेल 1950 में मरे, उनको 41 साल बाद क्यों मिला? वो भी नरसिंह राव के द्वारा, जो परिवार से बाहर पहले प्रधानमंत्री थे। राजनेताओं के मामले में कांग्रेस पार्टी का क्या रवैया रहा है भारत रत्न के मामले में, ये गंभीर चर्चा का विषय है।
And joining the chorus is none other than the former BJP ally, the JDU.
भारत रत्न के लायक अटल जी क्यों नहीं है? अटल जी को मिलना चाहिए। ये हमारे जन नेता हैं।
There is no doubt that Mr. Vajpayee was by far one of the most popular leaders in India. He had 50 years of contribution to Parliament. He was a great orator, beloved of the people. He should have got the Bharat Ratna. Other Prime Ministers have got it.
And not just the JDU, but also the UPA ally NCP coming out and showing their support to their former Prime Minister.
पहली तकरीर उन्होंने लोकसभा में की तो जवाहरलाल जी उठ के उनके पास गए और कहा, अटल, तुम एक दिन इस भारत के वजीर आजम बनोगे, प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनोगे। मैं समझता हूँ भारत रत्न से भी बड़ा है वो।
But there appears to be two voices within the government, with the HRD minister backing the BJP's demand.
Definitely, Prime Minister Vajpayee has been a great statesman. And, if it is in the wisdom of the country that he should be given a honor, it can certainly be considered.
And some clearly opposing the BJP.
Everyone has a lot of respect for Vajpayee ji, done a great deal for the country, but I think the sort of urgency and the spirit in which Tendulkar got it is very different.
Mr. Pallam Raju, Mr. Shashi Tharoor, everybody has got their own individual views and we respect that. But end of day, this is not a decision because, it's not like a laundry list of people awarded year after year. There are big question marks.
Politics over Bharat Ratna only getting fiercer, as the BJP won't let go of the issue without a clear fight for whom they believe was the most popular Prime Minister in the country. Bureau Report, Times Now.